The Korky Strongarm 6071 handle comes with a limited multi-year warranty that covers defects in materials and workmanship. Korky documents that this type of warranty typically protects against premature failure due to manufacturing defects for a period that is usually multiple years, and you should first check the exact duration listed on the packaging or the warranty card included with the product. Keep your proof of purchase, original packaging if possible, and any installation notes, because manufacturers commonly require those items when processing a claim. If the part fails within the warranty period, contact Korky customer service with clear photos of the defect and a description of the problem, and request a warranty return authorization number before shipping anything back. Be prepared that warranty remedies often include repair, replacement with the same or a comparable part, or a refund at the manufacturer's discretion. If you installed the handle yourself, document that the installation followed the included instructions, because damage from incorrect installation is frequently excluded from coverage. Finally, if you bought the part through a retailer, the seller may assist with the return or exchange process and can sometimes offer a faster resolution than waiting for the manufacturer. Common mistakes include assuming the warranty covers all damage, so check exclusions like misuse, chemical damage, or improper installation, and save receipts and photos to support your claim. Another issue is failing to register the product if registration is required in order to activate extended coverage, so complete any registration steps promptly online or by mail. A third frequent problem is discarding packaging and installation instructions that the manufacturer might request. So keep those materials until the warranty period ends and note the purchase date for quick reference. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and allows users to post projects and read or share real-world experiences. We maintain a discussion community where members ask questions, swap installation tips, and recommend parts and service providers.